Merry Christmas, everybody, and welcome back to another puzzle solve video. I received this one today on Christmas, and I'm going to try to figure out how to solve this, guys, for you, and we're going to time it and see what happens with it. Thank you, Sin1, for the birthday cake puzzle.
This is the birthday cake, or happy birthday, one of the two, by ID Venture. And this is going to be my first solve of it, so we'll see how this works. So you got, these are customizable, by the way. You can put any numbers you want, so you can give these age, I would assume 1, which you don't want to do, but 14 to 99. Customizable, and all in all, it looks just fun. We're going to figure out how this is solved. So the first pieces I see these cutouts, which I think you have to find the right shape for these little candles to fall out. Oh, so dance. Because there's these little words. Look closely, there's love, sing, dance. So that one's dance. So that goes there, I'm guessing. Oh, find that out when we come to it. So then the next one fits right there. Well, that's a microphone. So, sing, I'm guessing. Sing, dance. Well, it should come out of there. This ID Venture, it's the same company that made the Trials of Camelot puzzle I uploaded last week. They're a pretty good company. I got another puzzle for Christmas today that my sister gave me, and oh boy. Maybe that's not the right spot. It lines up the shapes right. There we go. I don't want to pick too hard. Well, it's a mouth, so maybe laugh. Okay, so there's little gears here. I'm guessing they turn, dance, smile. Smile, so we'll keep that there. Oh, these are different widths. That one goes there, and that one was dance. So this one, sing. Love, dance, sing. Should be sing, I think. Well, okay. So this one with the widest right there. Oh no, not right there. Yeah. So the widest one is going to be Smile. Which is this one. That's Smile. And then the second to the skinniest one. So that's Smile. The skinniest one is going to be Dance. Dance. And this one has to be Sing. Yeah. That's the birthday cake puzzle. I think that's all of it. I think. Yeah. That's the birthday cake puzzle. Huh. Merry Christmas. It took 5.5 minutes. That's a pretty nice little puzzle. I think you could probably put a light in here or something and see some stuff. 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes. It's a nice little puzzle for Christmas. And we'll just put it all back together real quick. Okay, top. I don't know if it goes in any way. A certain way it goes. Oh, that says top, so. And then you just turn these to whatever. And I'll put these back. That's the birthday cake puzzle.
That is the birthday cake puzzle. Once again, thank you, Sin1, for sending me this for Christmas. It was a pretty fun puzzle to solve. Didn't take very long. It was a nice puzzle. It's gonna go right up on the shelf with the rest of the boxes. I have a big surprise for you guys coming up. I'm gonna be solving this puzzle that I found at a really cool antique shop, Calypso 298 or 928 or something like that. That's going to be in the next video. Really excited to show you guys this one. Yeah, 7 minutes, 13 seconds on the birthday cake puzzle. That was a pretty nice puzzle. Really cute puzzle, good Christmas video. Hope you guys had an awesome Christmas and hope you guys have a very splendid New Year. I'm going to try to solve this one before New Year's. See you guys in a few days. Still haven't come up with an outro yet. I will very soon. I'm ready to get this hat off though. Merry Christmas.